entering the Chakaverse. Chaka Crypto. Welcome to the Chakaverse. He out speaking Chaka facts, I'm out speaking Chaka words. We out making Chaka raps, we call this the Chakaverse. No, I can't help you cop the bag, but I can help you do research. So come and join the Chaka pack, explore the Chaka universe.
Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Chaka Crypto and this is the Chakaverse. And today I just want to do a quick video on how to be able to use your PC or your laptop in Twitter Spaces. I know a lot of people, they got to use their phone or their headset like this right here, or talk through their phone right here. This is a way if you want to use your PC or laptop. I'm going to show you real quick. So the way I did it, and it took me literally like 3-4 minutes. So I went to, it's BlueStacks.com, www.bluestacks.com. I don't know if this is going to work for Apple. I don't have an Apple. I really don't know anything about Apple. So, and I downloaded the BlueStacks 10, this right here. And I downloaded that. Once it loaded up, it takes you to an app store. So when you open up BlueStacks, it takes you to this app store. And I think it might be made for games, but Twitter is on here. You just type in Twitter, hit download. All right, now once Twitter downloads, it'll be an app on your desktop, and then all you gotta do is log into Twitter through your laptop or PC, and then your mic is available to use. It's really, really simple. You can join Twitter Spaces and use your mic, whatever you'd like. So I hope somebody out there found this information useful, but that is how you do it, is BlueStacks.com. Just quickly download the emulator, takes you to an app store, download Twitter, log into Twitter, and you can use your mic from your laptop or your PC. So, and that's all I got for you today. Hope it helps. I'm Chaka Crypto. This is the Chakaverse, and I'll see you guys in the metaverse. Peace.
Chaka Crypto, you're entering the Chakaverse. Chaka Crypto, welcome to the Chakaverse. Chaka Crypto, you're entering the Chakaverse. Chaka Crypto, welcome to the Chakaverse. He out speaking Chaka facts, I'm out speaking Chaka words. We out making Chaka raps, we call this the Chakaverse. No, I can't help you cop the bag, but I can help you do research. So come and join the Chaka pack, explore the Chaka universe.